Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to record the screen on a Vivo Y21 without using any extra apps. It's really simple. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control center. Here, look for the screen recorder icon, which looks like a circle with a dot in the middle. If you don't see it, tap the edit or pencil icon, then add the screen recorder to your quick menu. Now, tap the screen recorder icon. A countdown will appear and the screen recording will start automatically. To stop recording, just tap the stop button in the top notification bar. The video will be saved automatically in your gallery, ready to play or share. Super easy, right? Go ahead and try it out on your Vivo Y21